Updated below, bought the DJI Mavic Air 2 weeks ago, before I knew an update was coming so soon, but I just ordered the Air 2s. The Air 2 has been fantastic, but I did run into some range issues or losing connectivity around buildings and residential areas. Hoping the updated unit, with 4 antennas versus 2, will fix that issue. Also looking forward to the updated hardware and 1-inch sensor. We'll post back with comparison and if it was worth the extra buy. Update. So today, I just got the beautifully upgraded 2S only 2 weeks after purchasing the Air 2. What are my first look and flight opinions? 100% worth the upgrade. Now don't get me wrong, the Air 2 is still an amazing drone and will work great for anyone, but for me, as I had the money and interest in learning how to edit video footage, this upgrade was well worth it. Just look at the difference in the cameras in my pictures. Air 2S, aluminum or metal material gimbal, and has a beautiful 1-inch sensor versus Air 2. 5-inch plastic sensor, and TBH, the picture on the Air 2S is just flat out better. However, the Air 2 is still a fully capable drone, and I will still use it as my everyday drone and for riskier shots. As for the OcuSync 3.0, or better known as O3, I didn't see a huge improvement on my first flight, and I live in a suburb area with no tall buildings. That doesn't mean that the range won't be better for some, but in my impression I saw no improvement here. I do have out-of-ground power lines all over where I live, so this could be causing the issue. It generally lost signal when I was about 25 miles away and was flying low, but would regain signal going above 65 feet. Not a huge deal breaker for me, and I know others have said they saw a big improvement, so maybe it's the specific area where I live. Lastly, master shots. This is one of the coolest things about the drone IMO. You select your target and the Air 2S shoots a sequence of really cool dynamic shots and throws them into an edit for you. It literally does everything for you, and it comes out really cool if you want to impress your friends or social media followers. All in all, 100% buy this drone if it fits your budget. I don't think it is too far off the price of the Air 2, so if you have the extra cash, I would definitely spend a little extra and go with the Air 2S. In my opinion, always go with the Fly More combo. I got it on both drones. I love DJI's drones. None better. I bought mine with the sole intent of doing real estate photography, and it far exceeded my expectations. I love this thing. This purchase completes my DJI family. The Mavic Air 2s was the only model that I didn't have. I spent months agonizing whether I should buy it. But a few advantages to the newest 2's FMC, Fly More combo, finally tipped the scale. With the improvements to the OAS, autonomous flight programs, and enhanced image quality, I just could not say no to the Air 2s. And who buys just the drone basic package, just to struggle with getting the additional accessories one by one later on? I'd rather just get what I need now and get it over with, as the FMC